Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start online reputation management with reputation.com step by step clearly. To begin your journey into online reputation management with reputation.com, start by visiting their official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your name, email, and company details. Next, verify your email address by following the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your new account. Upon logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the various features available, such as review monitoring, social media management, and reporting tools. Begin by adding your business locations to the platform. This can be done easily through the dashboard by selecting the Add Location option. Input the necessary details for each location, ensuring accuracy for better reputation management. Next, set up review monitoring by connecting your business's online profiles. This includes platforms like Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Once connected, the system will aggregate reviews from these sites. Take a moment to customize your notification settings to stay updated on new reviews. Now, navigate to the social media management section. Link your business's social media accounts to streamline your reputation efforts. Use the tools provided to create and schedule social media posts that reflect your brand positively. After establishing your profiles, implement a strategy to encourage customer feedback. Send follow-up emails to clients after transactions, asking for them to leave reviews on your preferred platforms. Monitor the reviews that come in regularly to address any negative feedback promptly. Responding to reviews showcases your commitment to customer satisfaction. Utilize the reporting tools to track changes in your online reputation over time. Set benchmarks for improvement and adjust your strategies based on the analytics you receive. Continue to engage with your audience through regular updates and content sharing. Lastly, revisit your reputation management strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your business goals. By following these steps, you will successfully begin managing your online reputation with reputation.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.